Today we'll show you how to recover your delayed mails from your Gmail. Okay, just follow these steps and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First, open your Google Chrome and open your Gmail, and after this guys, you need to follow these steps. Okay, just go now to this here like this, and go now to trash. This is trash, or deleting, or like a supreme with the French, or like with Arabic its name, it's hadaf. Okay, just like this, and go to trash. And okay, finally now we have this is trash it. Okay, just we need now to back this and this. Okay, okay, after this you can like this, maybe to the like make a read, and this all this. Okay, just now follow these steps. Okay guys, now just go here to this is the 3 points, or you can go to move to. Okay, just go now to move to, and put here like inbox like this. And finally will be find here it's like inbox. This is a finally it's a back, and this is it's a back. Okay, just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.